guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you people are liking the videos which I am uploading daily. So it's not daily, there was no video yesterday, but I will try my best to upload the videos daily, and you people can also comment down the topics on which you want me to make videos. So today the video which I am making is like to know you what is the difference between CTC and the take home salary. So the first thing what I like to mention to you is like what is CTC. So CTC is cost to company. It means the whatever the company is spending on an employee, it comes as CTC. So it includes your take home salary as well as the other benefits such as the medical benefits, and there are various other things are also there which makes together a CTC. Variable components are there, even stocks are there. So all these together comes in CTC. So usually whenever we are joining an organization, we have in mind like what will be my take home salary. Okay. So for that, what you can do is that you can go to the compensation section of your offer letter, and there you will be seeing the various components there. For example, you will have a basic salary, then you will have house rent allowances, convenience allowances, entertainment allowances, other like overtime allowances, your other thing is like I would say is like medical reimbursements. All these things, like you will have one monthly like bonus part. So all these things will be there. Along with that, you will be seeing the other things like PF, medical insurance, or something like superannuations. All these things together, it will give you. You can see your CTC there. So does it means like all these things? If you have to calculate, how we will be calculating our take home salary? Does it means like what usually people think, okay, so a company is giving me a 24 lakhs package, so just we can divide it by 12, and 2 lakhs will be the salary which will be get it credited in our account. I wish this could have happened, but this is not the reality. So if you have to calculate your take home salary, do a calculation. Take a pen and paper or your calculator, open your offer letter in front of you and start adding. Add the part like basic allowance, basic salary and all your allowances, okay, with the monthly variable part, okay, that you can with the monthly variable means I would like to say the monthly bonus part. If it is monthly, which is going to be paid to you, and if it is a fixed amount, you can expect that the full amount you will be getting as a part of your salary. You can do those calculation, okay, and you can add it up all those things. Now from there, what you have to subtract is your tax, okay, which again differs upon your like what is your taxable income, then a provident fund, then professional tax, which is 200 every month. So now people have, so these are the three things which you have to deduct from where, after calculating your allowances, your basic salary, your monthly payout, or anything which is going to be given to you as your monthly payout, which is a fixed component, okay, to your salary. Now people have a confusion on the PF, how they will be subtracting the PF. Now what people think is that when we get a salary, we see a component called PF there. So what people think that, okay, so this is like the PF component, and they don't deduct the PF from their monthly gross salary too. No, that is the PF component which your company is giving to you, and you also have to provide the same exact amount. Like for example, if my company is paying me giving 3,000 per as a PF amount per month, then 3,000 is deducted from my end too. which is deducted from where? My take home salary. So from your take home salary, company deducts that 3,002 and then it gets credited to your PF account. So in this way, actually the enhanced salary is being calculated. Now that, like, whenever you see, like, your experiences are going, you will be seeing like various annual or quarterly bonus components getting added to your salary. So you see that with a star mark. So what does that mean? That it depends upon your performance, on your company's performance, and that is why we call it variable. It means that it is not fixed. It will be having a calculation on the basis of various components. Okay, so I hope you people are now able to like understand how to calculate the enhanced salary. So the question is the cost to company is same as the take home salary? No. So we saw the cost to company is not same as the take home salary. Cost to company includes everything which a company is spending on us. Okay, now there are various things which the company don't include in cost to company, such as food. It does not include, which the company will be giving to us, or we get gifts on our anniversary, on our birthdays. Those things most of the companies don't include. Usually what is included, you will be clearly seeing like what is there. It should be mentioned. So, and whenever there is any role change in the company or there is a hike, always you will be seeing a new cost to company coming, means like new breakup of the CTC coming to us. Then again with the new hike you can do again the calculation and see. And there is one more thing which I would like to mention to you, which people has usually queries, is what is retention bonus. So retention bonus is a type of it's a fixed amount which will be given to you at the completion of a year anniversary. Like 1 year anniversary, when you complete, you will be getting a retention bonus. So if a company is spending so much time on you, recruiting you, giving you a quite decent salary package, so company also don't wants to lose you. So that's why the company keeps this retention bonus. It's like retaining the employees. So with this I would like to conclude this video. I hope this video is useful to you, and if you find these kind of videos useful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. In this COVID time, I would request all of you to stay at home, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.